And welcome to Wrong Way. What's in the package? This is the unboxing of the Kingsong KS16X. Let me tell you more about it. Wrong Way. And this wheel has been provided by myewheel.com and I'm happy to announce that you guys have 5% off on any wheel that is not discounted when you purchase it with the Wrong Way coupon. So 5% off on myewheel.com, which is fabulous, which is great, and you guys should totally use it. Okay, I'm sure you guys already saw a lot of content on the Kingsong KS16X. It's been already a bit of time on the market, but I'm actually very happy that I did not try it as much yet because it has gone through a lot of revisions. Here you can see the charging brick. It's the Lenovo port, 1.5 amps, so pretty slow charging. I think it will be like 10-12 hours to charge it to 100%. This is the Kingsong KS16X user manual. Oops. So the thing that is like most important is that at the beginning there were some cutoffs on the wheel. I was a bit scared of that actually, but I'm happy to announce that they should be gone by now, and they tweaked the software and the wheel itself a lot to prevent any cutoffs and so on, especially when you're going over 40 kilometers an hour. But still, Mickey from EVX told me that I should watch out and not torque the wheel above this speed. So they changed the tire as well. They changed the padding on the side. And I gotta tell you guys, this is one of the best looking wheels on the market, in my opinion. I think they really nailed the design here. They made it very compact. Yeah, this looks good, doesn't it? You like it? Yeah, I like it too. Yeah, let's put that aside. If it wasn't obvious enough, 1554 watt hours. These are the standard KS16X foot plates, which are ginormous, really cool. Oh, even the mudguard is already mounted. That's pretty cool. So yeah, let's just turn it on. Where is it? Here. Might be empty. But the other things that they have changed, I think they also made the sealing better in the middle, so no dust can come into the like a frame and inner mechanisms of the wheel. I even saw a KS16X with dust from the inner side of the light. I think that should be all gone by now. And yeah, the side pads, you can see these are the new side pads. They go out a bit more. You can see the bright front light, and it has 3 settings, which is pretty cool. There's also like a light sensor for this one. And here you can see twin charge ports on the KS16X. I think the lighting also really looks good. It also shows you the battery percentage, but I don't really know why it doesn't turn on. I actually had to unlock the wheel in EUC World, and my e-wheels just told me that you need to like unlock it in, for example, in EUC World. It was locked here, and this is just to make sure that the wheel doesn't turn on by accident when transporting it, which is a really cool feature. So now it does work, and it looks awesome, and I can roll on it. Yeah, nice. I really love the colors too. It looks pretty decent. Yeah. Here you can see additional lighting on the rear. Cool. Yeah, this is really nice. I like it. I think I'm gonna have a ride right away. See, this is a nice shaped light. Doesn't blind anyone. Oh look, that's pretty cool. High beams, low beams, and both beams. Nice! Sadly, I just could set the tillback limit to 33 kilometers an hour. I hope I can somehow, you know, change that. But I don't know, this is the King Song Live, so you know, I have to check it out. All in all, ride feels well. I mean, it's really comfortable, a really comfortable wheel. And I'm just making my first errand to go to the post office, so you know, we can check practicality and other stuff. Just a chic, quick, short ride there. Yeah, to check it out. It feels pretty responsive actually. A bit torquey, you know. You can basically just yeah, balance standing on a wheel. But please stop saying this. Stop. What is this, 33 kilometers an hour? I can go that fast on a Galway M10-3.
Please decelerate.
King Song. I am experienced enough to go 40 or 50. Come on, I rode 75.
Please decelerate.
Well, whatever. Yeah, whatever.
Please decelerate. Please decelerate.
Never mind. This is the queue to go to the post office. I think I'm just gonna come here some other day. Yeah, probably at an earlier hour or whatever. But still, I wanted to show you the magnificent trolley handle. So, let's look. This is King Songs have the best trolley handle, hands down. It works so well, dude. This is the perfect height. Yeah, it can go on like this forever. I mean, I would never like go into a park with my MSS just, you know, casually strolling it around because it's just way too uncomfortable. And with this thing, probably I could. Pedals also are very easily accessible. Easy to open. Yeah, everything works well. I just have to show the camera and they stop. Yeah, I love the ride, man. It's really cool, but I can't go too fast for now. Hopefully this changes soon. The padding feels really nice too. The tire feels really nice. Yeah, other than the speed limit, this is actually pretty cool. I mean, you can sort of make a slalom on the wheel. And it feels really nice. Actually really nice. Grip tape is good too. Like, that's my initial impression.
Please decelerate.
Nope. Press. Set failed. Okay, whatever. I'll get back to it later. But for now, this is the unboxing, my initial impressions of the King Song KS16X. This will be my wheel for testing right now. There will be also a review coming out when I do the range test, when I test the wheel extensively. I'm really curious about the 2200 watt nominal power motor, if it's really better going uphill. It's a 84 volt wheel, so it's not 100 volt like the Galway MSS, the Galway Nickel 100 volt and so on. So top speed here is around 50 kilometers an hour and it's limited. You can't go faster and probably you shouldn't on this device. But all in all, really cool. Love, like, this is so good. Love the trolley handle here, really high up off the ground. And it's a pretty short episode. If you're still here, leave a like on the video, subscribe to see more content like this, and I'll see you in the next episode. See you soon.
Aha! Random nam brzegu.
No. Pomóc panu? A, już jestem.